Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math, question 12. Li Lei has 60 stickers. Ben has 40 stickers more than Li Lei. Li Lei 他有60个 stickers, and Ben has 40 more. We use 60 plus 40 equals 100. What percentage of Ben's stickers must Ben give Li Lei so that both of them have the same number of stickers? First, we need to find out the total number of stickers. 60 plus 100, 160. And since they have the equal number of stickers, so we use 160 divided by 2. Finally, they will have 80 stickers each. And Ben will give 20 stickers to Li Lei in order both of them have the same number of stickers. So the question is, percentage of Ben's stickers must Ben give Li Lei? Percentage, we are finding a percentage. Ben to Li Lei. Ben will give 20 to Li Lei. But the number of Ben's stickers is 100. So the percentage times 100%, the answer is 20. Answer here, 20%. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.